when you're going to plant a bonsai or even cactus, you use a bonsai dish. They have large holes in the bottom, and you can't put soil directly in the pot because it'll go right through the hole. So you use a piece of netting. It can be plastic. These are found in, people generally use these for a type of embroidery. They come in big sheets, 8 by 11 or 9 by 12. And you just cut. In this case, there are 2 small pieces. You could cut one for the whole thing, and then you use a piece of wire, goes through the netting, insert the wire through the hole, and bend the wire flat on the bottom side. Then you take, I'm using what's called tammy gravel. It's a little larger than aquarium gravel, though you could use aquarium gravel. And you kind of, mainly you want to group it around the drainage hole, because even with that size netting, soil will flow through when you water your plant or plants. And this is another size webbing you can use, and this is another bonsai typical dish with the large holes. In this case, just inserting the webbing into the bottom, not wiring it. Usually it's wired, but you can do it without wiring it.
Right.